The Old Cuban is a sophisticated cocktail that blends the richness of rum with the freshness of mint and the elegance of champagne, making it a delightful choice for both casual and special occasions. It is often described as a cross between a mojito and a French 75. You will need the following ingredients: 1.5 ounces aged rum. Recommend using a quality aged rum for depth of flavor. 3/4 of an ounce fresh lime juice, freshly squeezed for the best taste. 1 ounce simple syrup, can adjust based on sweetness preference. 6 to 8 mint leaves, fresh mint leaves, avoid stems. 2 dashes Angostura bitters, adds aromatic complexity. 2 ounces champagne, or any good quality sparkling wine. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, muddler, strainer, jigger, champagne flute or coupe glass. Here are the instructions. Add mint leaves and simple syrup to a cocktail shaker. Gently muddle the mint to release its oils without tearing the leaves. Add the aged rum, fresh lime juice, and Angostura bitters to the shaker. Fill the shaker with ice and shake vigorously for about 10 to 15 seconds. Double strain the mixture into a chilled champagne flute or coupe glass. Top off the drink with champagne or your preferred sparkling wine. Garnish with a mint sprig for added aroma and presentation. The Old Cuban was created by Audrey Saunders, a well-known mixologist in the early 2000s. It's often celebrated as a modern classic in the cocktail world.